Stack is one of the most important and the basic concept of data structure, and today we are going to see real life problems which are solved using stacks. So let's begin with it. Good morning friends, I am Shreya Shetke. Today I am delighted to present project that showcases the implementation of hospital management system using the concept of stack. I have made this code to register appointment and cancel appointment. So let's start. First we will see the header files. We are using standard input output.h and standard library.h. These are preprocessor directives which is used to include standard input output and standard library headers in the program. Next we will see this. Define max appointment 10. This line defines a constant max appointments with a value of 10. It represents the maximum number of appointments that the stack can hold. Now we will see the structure to represent an appointment. This defines a structure named appointment that represent an appointment. It contains two fields, patient ID of type int for the patient ID and patient name of the type character array with a length of 50 for the patient's name. Next we will see structure to represent a stack. This defines another structure named stack to represent a stack. It contains two fields, top and items. Now we will see how to initialize an empty stack. This is a function initialization that takes a pointer to stack of structure as its argument. It sets the top of the stack to -1, indicating that the stack is empty. Now we will see how to check if the stack is empty. This is a function. This function is empty that takes a pointer to a stack structure as its argument. It returns once if the stack is empty, otherwise 0. Now we will see how to check if the stack is full. It returns 1 if the stack is full, otherwise 0. It is checked by using this function returns stack of top is equal to max appointments -1. Now we will see how to push an appointment onto the stack. We will use void push function for that. It pushes an appointment onto the stack if the stack is not full. It increments the top and adds the appointment to the items array. It also prints a message indicating the success or failure of the operation. Now we will look into how to pop or cancel an appointment from the stack. For that we use this code. It pops the last appointment from the stack. If the stack is empty, it returns as dummy empty appointment with patient ID of 1 and the stack empty name. If the stack is not empty, it returns the appointment at the top of the stack and decrement top. Next, we will see how to list all registered appointments. It lists all the registered appointments in the stack if the stack is empty. It prints a message indicating that the no appointment are registered. If the stack is not empty, it iterates through the appointment and prints each appointment patient ID and name. For that we use this particular code. Now we will move on to the int main function. Int main and the initialization. It initializes an empty stack using the initialization function. This loop. This is a while loop that runs indefinitely while of 1, presenting a menu of options to the users. The switch cases. If the user select case 1, if the user selects case 1, It promotes the user to enter the patient ID, name, create an appointment structures, and then push it onto the registered appointment stack using the push function. Case 2. Now come to the case 2. It calls the pop function to pop the last appointment from the stack. If an appointment was cancelled, it prints a confirmation message. Case 3. If the user selects option 3, it calls the list appointment function to display the list of registered appointments. Case 4. And now this is the last option. If the user enters 4, it prints a message indicating that the program is existing and there exits the program using exist. Default case. This is the default case. If the user enters an invalid choice, is print a message indicating that the choice is invalid and ask you to try again. Here our code ends. Thank you.